Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak how to make small talk. So I'm an introvert and I'm a little bit shy, and I start directly with the things what I want to say and don't let the person relax first and so on. And this is totally wrong. It's just, if you play a video or a movie, then it starts with no content so that the video can run smoothly. And so is the small talk. We connect first with a person and then we say what we need to say. Or we let it go and have a good time with that person. How to start with a small talk? Yes, so you smile and you invite the other person to smile back. It's just so easy. Non-verbal is always more important. Things is over. And then we're looking for common ground about. We speak about the weather, the city, events, food, fashion, and so on. The next step is we ask open-ended questions so that the other person can tell a story. Not just answer with yes or no. No, we want to let speak the other person. So we ask, how do you know Peter? Or when was the first time? And so on. And then the other person relaxes and can speak. So, and we listen without checking our smartphone and so on. We relax and stand relaxed and don't cross your arms or legs. It doesn't look good. And the non-verbal signals are more important. We keep eye contact and be patient. Fine. Then we look that we keep it simple. We don't speak about politics. We want just to have fun and to relax and to give the other person a good time. This is good. This is good enough for small talk. We don't want more. And after some time, we exit with grace if we don't want to make more. And say, okay, we have to go to this and to this event. And then the thing is easy, we leave the spot. We have a good time, the other has a good time, everything is fine. Thank you that I could speak about that, and bye.